What's up, YouTube? I ain't did this in a while. This one's gonna be very painful to watch. I'll put it in the description. That warning, fair warning. I got 20 bucks. It's not counterfeit, real money. This guy's gonna put his nipple in a mouse trap. And I honestly don't recommend this, but I'm doing this for him, for his sake. He wants to do it, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this little. There's the nipple. Here's the mouse trap. 20 bucks.
Oh shit.
Come a little closer.
Oh shit.
So the camera can see you.
It's gonna hurt. It's gonna fucking hurt. It's gonna fucking hurt. How long is it gonna stay on there? You gonna take it off soon?
Sis, come on. Yeah, come on, let's get a little closer.
You sit down.
Okay. He's gonna hold his nipple a little bit. So y'all know, this is a real nipple. This is a real nipple. Here, let me do a thumbnail. Alright, come on. Come on. Hold up, false alarm. We coming though. We're gonna do this quick. Right now.
Come on, hurry up.
Hold your nipple. Hold your nipple. Like and subscribe for that one.